Hello, good day, good morning. How you guys doing out there? Nighttime, daytime, I'm not sure. Hey, love someone today. We've been wearing it, but now we've got more, we've got more. We've got love plus understanding equals empathy. Let's go, guys. Get yours today at tinyurl.com/MDS shirts. We're trying to spread the message. And not only do we spread it with our words and we spread it with our actions, but we spread it with our clothing, with what people see, because we're taking a lot these days. We're taking in a lot of signals from what we're hearing, and what we're seeing. So as I put words of life into people, I also want to put visuals of life into people. Let's spread the good stuff, and that's the point of it. That's the purpose, putting love on clothing. We're now wrapping ourselves in it, and it's just another way to spread the word, another way to show someone that you care. So you can purchase a gift for somebody, or just show a way that you care for Mr. Drew. You're supporting the cause, and we're trying to grow the circle. We're trying to flood the market with positivity. We're trying to flood the market with love. There's so much hate in the world. We have to bring out the love. We can't just sit silently. We can't sit silently and say, woe is me. Oh, woe is the world. We must step into the world and create it. Create the one we'd like to see, the one that we were intended to shepherd, and that's our job. That's our responsibility. And this is just the beginning. So you can get yours today at tinyurl.com/MDS shirts. We're saying shirts because it's plural. There's more than one. And we're going to keep moving. We're going to keep growing this thing. This one right here is special to me. It's an educational piece. All my designs are special, but this one is to teach people something. It's to educate them about this word, because it's more than just caring for people. It's a loving understanding. It's an unconditional love. All loves aren't unconditional, A lot of times people love, but they love you for what you provide. They love you for who you are at that time. They love you because of a certain way you behave or may behave. And as soon as you behave out of that expectation or that desire, the love is gone. And to me, that's not the love we need. We need unconditional love, a love that looks beyond behaviors and beyond circumstances. It's a love that looks to understand, why is this happening? And as a teacher, we look at, why is this behavior happening? I don't just discredit the kid because of his behavior. I work to understand. And that's the type of love I'd like to see throughout the country, throughout the world, in school districts, in office settings, and in homes, of working to understand each other. So let's do this, man. I love this shirt. Because I love you, I've got a coupon code for you. Empathy. When you check out, because you're going to check out, you're going to go in there, you're going to buy some shirts. Not one shirt, you're going to buy 2 shirts. Because the coupon code doesn't work for one. Buy 2 or more shirts and receive 25% off with the coupon code of empathy. What can I say? I keep it simple. And maybe that's just another way to program it into your subconscious. So check out tinyurl.com/MDS shirts. Type in the code empathy on checkout and receive 25% off the purchase of 2 or more shirts. Hey, it's getting close to the holiday season. These things make great gifts. Select your colors and they'll be on the way. 7 to 10 business days, and shipping is free. Everybody loves free, all right? And my empathy is free as well. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube page if you haven't already. Mark Drew on YouTube. At Mark Drew Speaks on Instagram, and Mark Drew Speaks 1 on the Twitter. I'm out of here, guys. Love someone today. Peace.